Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing an oil change on a GM 6.2 liter V8. It's either an Escalade, Tahoe, or a Yukon from 2015 all the way to 2020. They all take 8 quarts of oil, 0 W20. We're using the Castrol Edge Extended Performance with the 20,000 mile interval, the carbon neutral, and Dexos 1 approved. I chose this oil, very good quality. I usually buy my oils at Walmart. They're easily available, and the filter is an original AC Delco PF63. So one of the things that I wanted to do is add this drain plug with the magnet in the tip. Very nice, titanium. Been wanting to do this for years, so finally I'm going to get this done. Now, what I used to do in the past, I used to put a magnet on the outside of the filter so I could collect whatever metal went through there. Whatever metals pass through the filter. So and then obviously once you throw away your filter, you remove the magnet and you put it on the other one. That was my thought back in the day. So some gloves, obviously a drain pan funnel. I like to get a little rag and I put it under so I don't make a mess. And I like to torque my drain plug. Very important. A lot of people over torque them and then later on they strip it. Nice little flashlight. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight. Either the Braun or the Icon, they work fantastic. Same as the gloves, 7mm ones. They're pretty decently priced at Harbor Freight. Some, nice little safety goggles, shop rags, and my little invention that I made. So when you filler cap sits flat, not like this. I don't know why GM doesn't put it in every car. It drives me insane. So I bought one, actually bought two. They didn't fit correctly, so I cut this one and I angled it, like that. So that way, the funnel sits nice and flat. You don't have to hold the funnel and the oil at the same time. So no biggie, but just a little thing that I made for shits and giggles. So with that said, don't forget to like and follow. If you have any questions, let me know. Some of the links below do help us out. We're trying to grow, can't do it without your support. So let's get to it, guys. Alright, so with your 15mm, we're going to go ahead and remove your drain bolt. There we go. A little stubborn. Alright, so let's remove the oil filter. All right, so one of the things that I like to do is fill up my oil filter and also put a little bit of oil on the rubber part, on the seal. You don't have to overflow it, but as you see, let the air out so that when you crank up your engine, you don't have any dry runs or anything like that. So that's like half a quart right there. All right, so perfect. And put a little dab of oil around the ring, so later on when you take off your oil filter, so it's not, doesn't get locked up. All right, we're gonna install the oil filter. We're gonna clean everything under the base there. Make sure there's no dust, dirt, or the seal from the previous oil filter. That's pretty much it. All right. So gently gonna put it in there. Remember, it's full of oil, so put the hand tighten as much as possible. And then you're gonna give it like a quarter turn with the wrench. All right, then we're good. Now let's clean up this section here too. And we're gonna install the new drain plug. Make sure it's nice and clean. All right, we're gonna torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Perfect. All right, guys, so we're done here. So make sure you clean everything after you're done. 18 foot-pounds for the drain plug. And we're gonna go put some nice clean oil in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove the cap. So it's 0W20. And just to show you what I was talking about, when you put this thing on here, sometimes it does kind of fall, you see. So I want it like that. So what we're gonna do is install this puppy. And that's the way it should be. So now you put your funnel. Now you put your funnel and it looks like that. So is that much better or what? Isn't that much easier? You can put your oil right there. It's not gonna tip over. Right, now that you turned on the car, turn it off, let it sit there for about a minute, clean the dipstick. And you should have your oil between, you know, the little crosses and between the two dots. And we're good. Perfect. Right there. All right, beautiful. Oh, nothing like having nice clean oil. All right, so if you want to check out this oil drain, this is the part number there. It's an M12 1.75. That's the thread. It comes in this little fancy box right here. Really nice. I'll put the links below so you get this on Amazon, right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use the select left and right, up and down to go into the menu. So we're gonna go left. So now it's in the center. Now it's to the left. I'm gonna go to oil life. We're gonna hold and select. And there you go, that's it, 100%. So you're ready to rock and roll. Again, select up, down, left, right. So you're gonna go ahead and go to the left side. So in the center, left. You see there, go to oil life, and you're gonna hit select, and then you're gonna hold select, and that's pretty much it. It'll reset it, 100% oil life. Well, gotta check the air in the tires. Everything else looks good. Alright guys, don't forget to like and follow. We have great videos, and check out the links below. They help us out. We're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit that all notification bell so you get all the stuff that comes out. And thanks for watching. See you soon.